tutorial, we'll take a look at the 3 types of revision effects plugins available in Mistika Boutique and demonstrate a basic workflow for each category. There are 3 main plugin types. First, temporal processing plugins. These plugins access frames across time. Examples include denoise, deflicker, Twixtor, and RealSmart Motion Blur. We'll use Twixtor to show how to extend a clip by slowing it down and extending the clip duration. Second, spatial processing plugins. These plugins can generate an output size that differs from the input size. Examples include REZup Resize, Relens, and Remap. We'll demonstrate this category using REZup Resize to upscale footage. Third, color processing plugins. These plugins focus on color matching and are sensitive to the color space. Examples include Rematch, Color Genius, and ARRI Film Lab. We'll walk through a workflow using ARRI Film Lab. Part 1. Using Twixtor and Mistika Boutique Temporal Processing. We'll start with Twixtor. First, we import a clip by dragging and dropping it into the workspace in the Edit menu. Next, we go to the Attributes panel and extend the clip duration. For example, if we plan to slow the clip down by 50%, we need to double its duration. The clip is 9:17, so we'll double it and make it 19:09. Now we open the FX menu and add Twixtor to the clip, and in the Twixtor settings, we change the speed parameter to 50%. We can play back the clip to see that it's been slowed down by half. Part 2. Using REZup Resize in Mistika Boutique, Spatial Processing. Next, we'll use REZup Resize to upscale footage from Full HD to 4K. By default, Mistika creates projects in Full HD. To change the default project resolution, we go to Applications, Mistika, Config, and set the project default resolution to 4K. Next, we import a Full HD clip into the project. You'll see that the project is now 4K while the clip remains Full HD. Preparing the inputs. REZup Resize requires 2 inputs, the source clip and a background defining the output canvas size. We double-click on the source clip to access its interpretation settings. Under the clip framing options settings, we can change result size from project to input. This ensures the clip remains at its native Full HD resolution. You'll now see a 4K canvas with the Full HD clip centered inside it. Creating the background. We go to Effects, Mistika, Generator, and choose Solid. By default, this creates a black solid. Double-click if you want to change the color. This solid will define the 4K canvas size. Applying REZup Resize. We select the solid background and go to Effects, Revision Effects, REZup Resize. We can use the node graph to connect the 4K solid as the canvas input and the Full HD source clip as the color source. Now we open the REZup Resize settings and choose a filter type such as DNN1, which uses an AI-based model. We enable Fit to Canvas Size and click OK. You can compare results by switching between different filters such as linear and fine-tune additional settings as needed. Part 3. Using ARRI Film Lab in Mistika Boutique, Color Processing. ARRI Footage Workflow. We'll begin with the ARRI Alexa Mini LF footage, which is recorded in ARRI RAW format. And we'll be working on a log C3 AWG3 color space recorded in log C3 AWG3. We drag the ARRI footage into the workspace and double-click the clip to check the source media interpretation. You'll see that Mistika automatically interprets the footage as log C3 ARRI wide gamut 3 based on its metadata. So we are ready to use ARRI Film Lab at this point. We can apply ARRI Film Lab to all the selected clips. We start by opening the ARRI Film Lab settings on the first clip, change the I/O space from C4, the default, to log C3. Propagating the settings. In the active timeline, we select all the clips and click Perform Propagate to apply the log C3 setting to all the shots. We confirm the warning dialog by selecting OK. Now if I go back and check each one, we can see that they have all changed to log C3. Viewing Rec. 709 output. In order to display the output in an appropriate output color space, we select the ARRI Film Lab layers. We go to Effects, Mistika, LUT 3D under Miscellaneous and open the LUT 3D settings and load the log C3 to Gamma 24 Rec. 709 LUT downloaded from the ARRI website. We go to LUT 3D, select the three dots, and scroll through till we find the correct LUT. We set the interpretation to tetrahedral, and now we can propagate this LUT across all the clips. Now all the clips display correctly in Rec. 709 while remaining editable in log C3. Adjusting film settings. You can now adjust grain stock, change grain intensity, and fine-tune other ARRI Film Lab parameters, and you can propagate these adjustments across all the clips or tweak them individually. Working with non-ARRI footage in ARRI Film Lab. For non-ARRI footage such as Sony S Log 3, an additional conversion step is required. We import the footage and double-click it to check interpretation. Since it's not log C3, we go to Effects, Mistika, Unicolor, under Color, and we set the following. Input curve Sony S Log 3. Input gamut, Sony S Gamut 3. Convert gamut, yes. Output curve, ARRI Log C3. Output gamut, ARRI Alexa Wide Gamut 3. We apply ARRI Film Lab from the ARRI Effects menu and add LUT 3D layer for Rec. 709 output. We load the ARRI Log C3 to Gamma 24 Rec. 709 LUT and set the interpolation to tetrahedral. Now in the eval tree view, you select the ARRI Film Lab layer. That's the trick and the advantage of the eval tree. You're modifying an arbitrary layer of the tree while seeing the output of the top layer. In ARRI Film Lab, we set I/O space to log C3. You can now adjust ARRI Film Lab parameters such as grain while monitoring a proper Rec. 709 output. Conclusion. This workflow covers temporal processing with Twixtor, spatial upscaling with REZup Resize, and color processing with ARRI Film Lab for both ARRI and non-ARRI footage. You're now ready to explore these plugins further in Mistika Boutique.